Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from CVS and we are about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. So you guys, when I looked at the ad for this week, I really thought I was seeing things because I was looking at the household section of the ad and y'all will notice that something is missing. The extra bucks are missing. So there's no spend 30, there is no spend 20, there is no spend nothing in this section. They just have the sale prices for these laundry and household items, which tells me that CVS wants to keep them. So I'm gonna let them keep them this week because I cannot buy these for regular price with no extra bucks back. And then all of the products down here as well are missing the extra buck. The only thing that we have as far as extra bucks is this spend 15, get 5 that they have had running all month. So I think that's been a monthly deal, but we don't have a lot of coupons for the products that are included in this deal. So since we are skipping over the cleaners and the laundry this week, I want to talk about a household deal that we can do first, and that is on the Cottonelle. The Cottonelle is not too bad this week. It is buy 2, get back 5. Now, this deal also includes the Viva, but I would go for the Cottonelle because we do have Ibotta rebates and coupons for this, so you can double up on the savings. So we'll pick up 2 of the Cottonelle for $10.49 each. That will total up to $20.98. Use 2 of the $1 coupons. You can use the digital coupon, you can use the printable coupon from the Cottonelle website, or you can also submit to the coupons app or shop them. That'll bring you down to pay $18.98 at the register. Then you're going to get back that $5 extra buck, which will make your cost $13.98. And you can submit over to Ibotta for $1 in cash back on each one. That will make your final price for these $5.99 each. And in today's video, I am just going to be walking through some of the best deals that you can do this week, but I'm not really going to be shopping. I am actually going to be shopping at Walgreens tomorrow for the My W Days event, but I still wanted to make sure that I reviewed the best deals that you can do. The next deal I think is pretty good this week is on the Neutrogena facial cleansing, and be careful with this deal because this deal does not include the moisturizers like the serum that's a sale. This is just the facial cleansing products. So that is things like the cleansers and the wipes. So if you like the Neutrogena wipes, this is a good deal to grab some of these using the Activate Rewards rebate that I talked about last week. And if you missed last week's video, I talked about this Activate Rewards rebate where you can get back either a $5 Visa card for spending $20, a $10 Visa card for spending $30, or a $25 Visa card for spending $75 on select Johnson & Johnson products. A lot of different brands are included like Band-Aid, Neosporin, Aveeno, Listerine. So you can get whichever you like, but these Hydro Boost products are also included. And so I think it's a really good deal this week in order to stack in so we can get back the extra bucks, and then we can also submit and get back our Visa card as well. So let me show you the breakdown doing the spend 30, get back 10. Now, something unique about this Neutrogena offer, I think in the ad it said maybe like a limit of 2 or something like that, but tagged in store it does have a limit of 7. That's a very high limit. So we can definitely double up on this offer and pick up 4 of these to get over 30 so that we can get back a total of $10 from our Activate Rewards rebate. So I'm going to pick up a total of 4 of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost wipes for $7.79 each. So 4 of these would total me up to $31.16. Using a 5 off of 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT, I would pay out $26.16. And then I would get back a total of $10 in extra bucks. That would bring me down to $6.16, and then I can submit back for my $10 rebate. That'll bring me down to $6.16 for the 4 packs. When you divide that up, that is a final cost of $1.54 each with no manufacturer coupons required. Next deal up, we have a nice deal on the Gillette Intimate products. So these are buy one, get one 50% off, When you buy two, you're going to get back $6 in extra bucks. We do have a $3 digital coupon that you can use. So let me show you the breakdown picking up two of these. So two of these would total you up to $10.48. Using the $3 digital coupon, you would pay $7.48 at the register, and you can get whichever products you like. But $7.48 would be the total for these two, and then you would get back a $6 extra buck, making your final cost $1.48 for both, or 75 cents each. Next deal up is on the General Mills cereal. Now with this deal, we're going to be using the dollar off of two digital coupon. These are on sale for $1.99 each. So with that dollar off of two coupon, you can pick up two of them for $1.99. Use that coupon, it'll bring it down to $1.49. Then you want to check Ibotta, because on select varieties, we do have 50 cents back, which will make your final cost 99 cents per box. Now I picked up two of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I did have an offer that I previously clipped for 50 cents that is still on my list. But now all that is showing up in the gallery is the kids cereal, so like the Cocoa Puffs and stuff like that. So make sure that you pick up one that is included in this offer if you have not clipped the other ones and have them on your list. Now, although I'm not really shopping today, because that Cinnamon Toast Crunch offer was about to expire soon, I decided to go ahead and grab a couple boxes of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I also got two of the Gillette items. So here is my receipt for that, all digital. I had a $4 off your next purchase CRT that I used, and I rolled in $4 in extra bucks. So total spent was $7.46, and then I did get back the $6 extra buck for the Gillette and $1 from Ibotta, making my final cost for those four items, the two Gillettes and the two cereals, only 46 cents. The Gillette Shave Cream are buy two, get back a $3 extra buck this week, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. This particular shave cream is cheaper online, so it'd be cheaper to do this deal online for pickup if you plan to do it. My store only has one, so I'm going to grab two of those down there to show you the breakdown. So with this deal, you would come out the cheapest by picking up the foamy shave cream that I have up on the screen. Because these are $2.89 and buy one get one 50% off, that'll total you up to $4.33 for two of them after the buy one get one 50% off. Use the $1 digital coupon, that'll bring you down to $3.33, and then you'll get back a $3 extra buck for buying two. That'll make your final cost for two of those only 33 cents if you purchase it online. Now, if you buy it in store, since they are priced at $4.19, it will be much higher. The Colgate products are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck this week. This does include the Colgate mouth rinse and the toothbrushes, and we're expected to have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. This deal has a limit of 2 per household, so we can actually pick up a total of 4 of these products and get back $10 in extra bucks. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to grab 2 of the toothbrushes and 2 of the mouth rinse. So these 4 would total you up to $19.96 before coupons. If you have it, you want to add in a 3 off of 18 Colgate CRT into this deal. And you also want to use the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. If you can print coupons, also print off a 75-cent coupon from the Colgate website for your 4th item. We have them available on the mouth rinse and on the toothbrushes. So after that $5.75 in coupons, you should be down to pay just $11.21 at the register. Then you should get back $10 in extra bucks for maxing out this deal, which will make your final cost for all 4 items just $1.21, or about 30 cents each. This week, the Nexus shampoo, conditioners, and stylers are spend 20, get back 10. So what I would do is I would pick up one of them for $12.99, and then I would also pick up one for $18.99. Let me show you the breakdown. So these two would total up to $31.98 before our coupons. If you have this 6 off of 30 Nexus CRT, you want to add that into the mix. And you can also use 2 of the $3 manufacturer coupons that I have from Nexus emails. That would leave your final cost at the register at $19.98. Then you would get back a $10 extra buck. That makes each one of these products only $4.99 each. The Cetaphil is also on a promotion this week where if you buy two, you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. And this is on Cetaphil facial cleansers. Now, I think that these bars right here will probably be included, but I'm going to have to wait till midnight in order to check. But if these are included at $5.79, these are a good item since they're buy two, get back five. That already makes them about 50% off. I'm not sure if our $4 coupons work on those, but I know that they will work on the expensive items like these $10.49 items. So if you get facial care CRTs like this 5 off of 20 facial care, you can pick up two of these $10.49 items. That'll total you up to $20.48. Use that $5 coupon plus two of the $4 printable coupons that you can get from the Cetaphil website. At the register, you would pay $7.98 and then get back a $5 extra buck for buying two. That would make your final cost just $1.49 each. So since it is midnight right now, I decided to go ahead and check those Cetaphil bars to see if they were included in the extra buck promotion, and they are. So if those $4 coupons work on those, you can actually grab two of those for completely free. The $4 coupon does not have any exclusions for the bars written on them. I just don't know if they work in the system because I've never purchased them with those coupons. So that is definitely something to try. Another deal that is pretty decent if you need it is on the Neutrogena acne bars. So these are buy two, get back five. I also was able to just check these, and these are also included in the buy two, get five promotion for Neutrogena products. And then I also need to check and see if these are included in the Activate Rewards rebate. So $4.19 each, two of them will total you up to $8.38. Then you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making your cost for two of those bars $3.38 with no coupons. Now I would add in a coupon for this if you have like any Neutrogena facial care related CRTs, they will work on these bars. So since I am not sure that I'm going to be doing a CVS haul this week, I want to go ahead and announce the winner of the $25 CVS gift card giveaway in this video. The winner is Amanda Hartwick. Amanda, if you will send me an email at couponingwithstar@gmail.com by Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. Congratulations. And then of course, we're gonna do it again. So in order to enter this week's giveaway, just hit the thumbs up button. You must be subscribed and leave a comment down below. I will announce the winner next week. The Dove spray deodorant could be a good deal this week. These are buy two, get back a $2 extra buck. So you can pick up two of the sprays for $9.79, buy one, get one 50% off. That will total you up to $14.68. The buy one, get one free coupon has a max value of $7.99. If your cashier enters that and the $2 digital also applies, you will pay $4.69 at the register. Then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost just $1.35 each. Another option is on the Dove stick deodorant. So you can pick these up for $5.99, buy one, get one 50% off. Use two of the $1.50 printable coupons, and then you will pay $5.98 at the register. Then you get back a $2 extra buck. It'll make these $1.99 each. Something else to keep in mind is that we have a lot of Dove products that are included in a buy two, get back $7 extra buck promotion this week. This Dove Body Love is included along with the kids body wash, and that $1.50 coupon will also work on this. So you guys, that is it for this best deals video. I am not sure that I'm going to be doing a big CVS haul this week, just based off the deals I'm not crazy about. I think I really want to focus in on Walgreens this week. Let me know what you guys are doing down below as far as CVS this week. If we have some amazing digitals that pop up come 3 a.m. Eastern time, and I can really put together some deals that just make me want to sing, I might come to CVS Monday, but the way it's looking now, I don't know. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about these deals so far, so that if you do plan on shopping this week, you can definitely get to the store and grab them. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.